We've had some crazy weather. The last week we had minus 38 as Celsius, coldest day. We had, I think, 4 days below minus 30, and then yesterday morning we had 29, minus 29, and it shifted during the day to minus 5, so that was crazy. And now we're I think we're still at minus, but it's going to be 36 hours with 4 or 5 degrees above zero. So pretty much, I guess all my roofs are going to, all the snow is probably coming down, and all the other snow will sink together, or yeah, it won't be as puffy anymore. And I've been moving some stuff around here, trying to get everything out of the snow, because then by the end of the week it will be below zero again. So if it hasn't been moved, it will be stuck. But I need to get this running again. This is not fixed. It hasn't repaired itself for some reason, don't know why. So I've been going through my junk pile, and I have a larger one. I don't know really if that's a good idea, but I will try to make this work some way. The thing is with this one is that the threaded rod inside here, it's broken off somewhere here, and it's due to the fact that this one is not the original shape anymore, so it kind of can move forward and back here. I think that's what's has caused this, and I had it put down quite low, so I guess the vibrations snapped the threaded bar. Anyway, I don't see any fast and good way to fix this, so I think I'm going to just take the other one, modify that, and weld it on the outside. The plate will be 5 centimeters further back, but yeah, let's see what we can do, and then go out and do some forest road snow plowing. Yeah, it's been a while since this one. Since this plow tasted any snow. This is 4.2 meters wide, and it weighs 1.6 tons or 1.8 tons, something like that, if I remember correctly. That's some packed snow under that one, so I don't know, but I really think I adjusted those. These were completely off. I shouldn't have had those out that much, and the reason for that was that I had just flipped the button steel. So I'll try to adjust this one a bit and then see where we should be with the other one. They're leaning quite a lot backwards in this position. That might be good, actually. Or yeah, let's see what we end up with. Yeah, I've adjusted that one. We'll set it down now. There we have it. I think it's still a bit high. Yep, I will adjust it even further. I think we would like to be something like that. Yeah. I think I figured out the setting somewhat, and now I'm going to try to mock up that other leg, see how that works. Please let me know in the comments what this is called. I think the direct translation is somewhat like trailing shoe or something like that. Yep. Okay, I've got it into what I think is a good position, but now I need to regroup so I can get closer to the door and the welder. And if you wonder why I'm doing this outside when I have this nice heated workshop, it's simply because I can't get inside with this. Yeah, I might be able to, if I angle the blade really good and I go from the side, but then it has to be clean inside, and it's not right now. It's a lot of stuff. So wonder, maybe we will weld in a nice height today. I will weld this, or at least tack it up now, and then I need to take out the center column. I don't know if you see, let's see if I can point. Yeah, this part here, if you turn this one all the way, this falls out, and I need to chamfer it so that the disc at the bottom can angle enough. But I don't think I will bore you with that. A lot of me moving around welding and stuff. So let's look at it when it's finished instead. Okay, so this one is now grinded off here, so we can have more angle. So that's front. I've greased up the threads, and this bar is larger. I haven't measured it, but I would say that the previous one was 16 or 20 maybe. This is larger, millimeters in diameter. So I think this will last, at least that one will last better. This square tube was kind of not that, I don't know, maybe 3-4 millimeters, not good enough. I thought the old one had been damaged down here and was repaired, not that good. So I just took some scrap iron and from the scrap heap and reinforced this one at the bottom. I guess the back pressure force will be mostly at this point. So now it's just a matter of putting it together and some testing. This is just, I don't know, I just found this. My idea here was that I can put this down the hole on the other, maybe, I don't know, maybe I need something else here, but hey, let's try that. See what happens. Okay, so I think the repair was a success. So now we're going to the forest road to open it, because I think, or at least half the road has never been plowed this winter, so this could be quite interesting. let's put this down and see how it feels here. Yep. The surface has already started to soften a bit. To see where the amount of plow rounds I've done with this plow is actually on YouTube, so I am not completely comfortable with it by far, but now that is in the air, so I guess we need to either put it more backwards like that. Now both are yep. Let's have that as a setting. Put it the other way with transport. It's so wide.